Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the SPUR protocol proof of governance, how to mint and deploy the proof of governance. In the last video that I dropped about the SPUR protocol in this channel, I talked about that proof of governance and I made a promise that I'm going to drop the video on how to participate in the proof of governance, and that is what exactly I'm going to show you in this video. Now, what is the proof of governance? What advantage does someone have, or will someone have, if he participates in the exercise? Now, let us go over to let's just click on the POG here. Let's see. Now, it says that here, proof of governance, deploy your proof of governance on-chain to go beyond the boundaries and access a multitude of unique features. Now, if you participate in this proof of governance, there are some features which the ordinary miner or farmer of this project will not get. Now, what and what does it cover? Number one, you are going to get 20,000 of SPUR token on deploying your POG. So once you successfully participate in this, you are going to get 20,000 pieces of this coin automatically. Then you'll be given voting ability. Okay, the voting will be accessible and the results of your vote will dictate the project's next step. So you'll be given the opportunity to vote, and while you are voting, you are going to be given some portions of token. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now here, the third one, it says that the SPUR on each vote, the system will automatically credit you with SPUR on each vote. So as you vote, you'll be given SPUR tokens. Now, it also says that you will become a gold badge holder. It will be shown next to your profile everywhere. So they are going to give a kind of a gold identity tag for all who participate in this exercise. Okay, so that is one of the benefits that you are going to enjoy as a participant. Team customization. You will have the ability to change your app design or team to customize the look. Okay, it also says that 10% allocation. Okay, they have allocated 10% of the total supply to all the POG holders. So they are going to distribute 10% of their token to all those who participate in this proof of governance, which is an addition to your airdrop. I explained that in the last video that I dropped about SPUR protocol, where we discussed about their economic model, that is their tokenomics. Okay, now here it says future free airdrops. You will be automatically eligible for any future airdrop aside SPUR airdrop, because you are holding a POG badge. Then it also says that 50% partners airdrop, there will be a massive airdrop from our partners who will allocate 50% of the rewards to POG holders. Then here it says endless possibilities, SPUR protocol is just starting, and so on. So these are the benefits that we are going to enjoy for participating in this SPUR protocol exercise. All right, now after having checked all this and you feel that it's worth trying, then you go ahead and hit on deploy your POG, which is this button. Now when you click on it, it will redirect you to your web browser depending on the one you set as your default browser. I set Mrs. browser as my default browser, and here it is. Okay, so let us note that it says here that the purpose of the POG is to help to strengthen the project, improve the community involvement, and offer unique features to the holders. This is not mandatory for the airdrop. Please, you do this by choice. It is not mandatory. Okay, so just go ahead and hit on the deploy your POG button. Okay, now it will take you down to where we have the payment gateways. Okay, so here you're actually going to spend some token in order to get this badge or get this benefit, and it is part of your contribution to their ecosystem if you want. So you go ahead and click on this button here. So you see BNB, Solana, TRX, and USDT. So these are the tokens that you are going to spend, either of these tokens that you are going to spend in order to get this badge or to get this benefit. If you click on BNB, you see you are going to pay 0.0065 BNB. If you click on Solana, this is what you are going to pay for Solana, 0.3 Solana. If it is TRX, this is what we are going to pay, 20 TRX. Then if you click on USDT, this is what you are going to pay. You're going to pay 4 USDT. So it depends on the one that you have. If you do not have and you want to participate, you can buy in centralized exchanges. Then you transfer it to any of your decentralized exchange, maybe your MetaMask. You can also use your Phantom wallet or your OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, so if you are using Chrome, it may not go successfully. All right, it may not go fast. So what you are going to do is, in your own case, if you are using Chrome, just come over here, then that's on the search bar. You tap on this copy icon to copy this address. When you copy the address, you go over to your Phantom. Okay, you can make use of your Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet goes successfully, but you should make sure that in that Phantom wallet you only have you have Solana in it, because you'll be paying with Solana. Now, if you're going to MetaMask, it is okay. You can go to your MetaMask section, then you go to the browser section and paste this link. Once you paste this link, you follow the instructions which I'm going to show you in this video. Now, I will go ahead and use these misses. Why I'm using this misses is already I have my MetaMask extension installed in it. If I click on this extension icon, you're going to see MetaMask here. Okay, so if you also want to use this, you can just go and download the MetaMask extension. Just come to the search bar and type MetaMask Chrome extension. Okay, it is going to come up. You click on the download link or just add extension. Yeah, you just click on add extension, then it will be installed. You just set it up, input your password, and that is all. Okay, so I'll go ahead and select BNB, and I'll go ahead and hit on deploy POG, which is this button here. I'll hit on it now. Deploy POG. Then you give it some seconds. It says POG received. This is my POG ID, which is this very one. Okay, now it says you are deploying POG on your account. Okay, so we read through. Okay, so it says that this is the wallet address that I'm going to make use of, and this is the barcode. Okay, in this case we are not even connecting to wallet direct. We are going to send. Okay, so it makes it even easier. We are going to send. So we'll come here, and this is the amount that we're going to send. Then you come over here, just tap on this button to copy the wallet address. Okay, when you copy the wallet address, so I'm going to go straight to my normal MetaMask app. So I'll have to copy this wallet address, which is this very one, by clicking on the copy icon. So I'll go over to my MetaMask wallet in order to send this exact amount, 0.0065 BNB. So this is my MetaMask, and I have some BNB in it. So I'll just tap on the BNB. Then I'll click on the send button, which is this very one. That is this very one. Then I will input the address that I just copied. Then I'll go ahead and hit on next button. Then here I'm going to input that exact amount which was shown to me, 65. Okay, this is the exact amount, 0.0065. So I'll go ahead and hit on the next button. Then I'll wait for some seconds, then hit on the send button again. Now this will load, just give it some seconds. Yes, it says transaction submitted. Okay, now this is what I just sent. This is it. Okay, this is it. Hope you can see it on the screen. So I will go back to the page. Then I will hold on for some seconds. Just hold on for some seconds. Now, yes, I just refreshed the page, and it says your deployment is successfully done and the associated account has been POG activated. Your POG badge and privileges are live on the platform. So let us go back to our SPUR Protocol mining app to see if it has actually gone successful. So guys, I am back at the app, and as you can see, the badge has been given to me. Okay, now if I click here, one of the benefits, if I click here now, you see that I can change the theme of this my app. If I want to change to blue, to green, to red, whichever one, I can change, as you can see. But if you do not participate in this, you will not be able to change this. Now I can also participate in the voting, which I told you earlier. Okay, here there is an ongoing voting. We have support for Tone blockchain on SPUR upcoming decks. Here I can give my own response, and once I do that, I'll be given 5,000 SPUR protocol. Now here is another one. We just have two here. Okay, it says incentive SPUR protocol community on Xenia upcoming testnet. Whichever one I select here now, I'll be given 5,000 SPUR protocol. And they said that we'll be given 20,000 SPUR at the successful completion of this, and it has been added to my balance. Okay, if you check the beginning of the video, the balances are not the same. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have not started mining the SPUR protocol, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video for you to register and start mining immediately. It is just every 12-hour mining. It is not like the Telegram tap to earn, which is stressful. Also, if you have not started mining the Delta coin, the Delta coin is one of the projects that looks like Pi. Its project is very strong. It has a very strong community that is backing it up. So if you have not started mining, I'm going to leave the link also in the description. You click on the link to download the app. Then you use the referral code that you see on the screen right now to register and start mining. Remember to follow us on Telegram and Twitter. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and feel free to share. I hope to see you in my next video.